Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Dorible, how to create a website for your tourism business on Dorible, easy and quick. First, type Dorible and enter the website. As we know, Dorible is a website that focuses on long-lasting and steady products, providing information and reviews to help you find items that are built to withstand wear and tear over time. And also we know that you can build this website in just 30 seconds with AI. Also here we find the information about the website. Uh, website AI website builder that generates an entire website with image and copy in seconds. So first of all, let's sign in with Google. Create new business. Now enter your business name and now select your industry. Select your industry and now enter your location and choose your website language, and after this click create business and wait this to generate. So first let's go to the first section. We find it here. You can edit it from here. Here you can edit the site name. You can also turn this on the logo and upload the file from here. You can also turn this on or off. You can add a label here if you want to add a label, or you can change it. You can change the label. You can also add external link here. You can turn this on, open link in new page. You can also manage the social link settings, and that's it. After this, click here and click apply, and let's move on to the next section. Before we move on to the next section here, if you want to add a new section, just click here and select any section you want from here, and that's it. Let's move on to the next section. You can edit it from here. You can edit this or regenerate it from here like this if you want to regenerate. So here we find the subtext. If you want to regenerate it, just click here and that's it. Let's move on to the button here. You can turn this on or off. So you can change the button, the label. Also you can add external link here and you can turn this on, and that's it. Click here and click apply. So let's move on to the next section. Here you can edit it from here. If you want to regenerate this image, just click regenerate and it will be regenerated. Also here, if you want to manage the image position from here, and after this click save and it should be saved. So let's move on to the next section. This section, click edit from here. Now click regenerate if you want to regenerate this, and that's it. If you want to regenerate just the text, and click save. So let's move on to the next section, and this section click edit and you can edit this. Also here you can manage this display settings. You can manage the image and icon and hidden and contents and button. You can also manage this list items here. You can add a list item here. You can upload image, or you can here add a title or generate a title. You can generate the contents. Here you can also add a label and you can add link here. So let's click save and let's move on to the next section. The next section is here. You can just click edit, and here you can manage your testimonials section. So let's move on to the next. Here you'll find the gallery section. click edit, and you can change this. You can also generate the image if you don't like this image, and you can also upload a photo from your browser or from your library from here. And let's choose a photo from here. So I'm gonna choose this. Click here, and it will be added here or here. So let's move on to the next section. Click save, and let's move on. The next section is the location section. Just click edit, and you can change this, or if you want to change the address. And also here, if you want to add text files, you can add the title here or contents. So after this, click here, and let's move on to the next section. The next section is this. Click edit, and here you can regenerate this. You can also manage files here. You can also custom input labels. You can here, if you turn this on, you can add a name, you can add your email, you can add a message here, you can add this, and here you can generate the success message like this. So click save, and let's move on to the next section. The next section is this is the last section. Here you can change the business name if you want. You can turn this on and upload the file from here. You can also add additional details. You can turn the button here and change your label. You can add external link here, and also here you can change or manage your social links. So if you done from this, click save, and let's go to something else. Before we end this editing of this website, if you want to regenerate any section, any content of the section, just click here. And also if you want to regenerate the style, just click on it, and this would be regenerated. And also if you want to regenerate the entire section, just click here, entire section, and it will be regenerated. So also if you want to duplicate this section, find it here like this, it will be duplicated. And if you want to delete this section, just click here on this icon and click delete, and it should be deleted. So if you want to move it up like this, and if you want to move it down just like this, and it should be move it down. So this is for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.